Okay, hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Chef Lana, period. Back with another cooking video for you guys. So today, I'm gonna be making fish. I've been wanting snapper. If you know me, I'm not a big seafood person, but I like fried snapper specifically. So I decided to make myself some because I've been wanting that. But I'm not about to fry the whole fish, so we're gonna try it with fillets. Usually escovitch fish is like the whole fish. So we're gonna try a little. You get me? And festival. So I already have my ingredients to the left of me, right of me. I got my recipe here that I'm going based off of. So wish me luck. I've never made festival before, but I'm assuming it's the same procedure like making dumpling, so we're gonna work with it. So hold on, I'm moving to our kitchen. If you're hearing wind, it's very much breezy. Okay then, so we'll have our flour here. So I'm doing 10 ounces of flour, a tablespoon of butter here. I have 2 ounces of cornmeal and a quarter teaspoon of salt. And then here I have about 3 tablespoons of baking powder. For my liquid, I'm going to be using milk instead. So I have some sugar in here. So I'm going to go ahead and add in all of my dry ingredients. So pretty much cornmeal, salt, baking powder into my... Wow, I made a mess there. All-purpose flour. So guys, usually, well, some recipes just call for the dry ingredients like this, but I'm going to be using some butter in there. My mother puts butter in her dumplings and it's usually really nice. Just gonna knead this in. You want something that looks like almost like crumbs. And then, like I said, for my liquid I'm using milk, so I'm just gonna add it. You can add it in my portions so you don't get too much in there, but pretty much you're trying to make this into a dough. So we're gonna be kneading, so make sure you wash your hand because we're not time. Thanks girl. I don't know why I'm doing this with my left hand because that feels so retarded. Hold on. I'm just gonna add a little bit more. As you can see, it's pretty much together. So we're just gonna use the last couple of dry pieces into the dough. We got everything together, just kneading it. So I think everybody's supposed to know how to knead dumpling and those, but you pretty much press the weight of your wrist down into the dough, fold it back onto itself. Yeah, you can see it better when I'm describing it, but that's pretty much it. Alright, so our dough is pretty much together. I'm gonna leave this to cool for a couple minutes while I wait for my fish to finish thawing out. And yeah, so I'll be back. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and add some flour to my counter so I can get to the rolling, well, the forming of the festival. So it's been chilling for a few minutes, not that long. I'm just gonna add a little more flour to it and then finish kneading it onto the counter. Some here. So that's one, pretty much. I don't necessarily want mine too big, but you know, the size is your preference. So you just pinch a piece, go ahead and form a ball in your hand, and then go from the ball to the, I don't know what to call this, a log. Okay, that's not too bad. Something more. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that for the remainder of the dough. I have my oil heating up already. I don't want it to get too hot because I'm not gonna do the deep fry method. Just gonna fry it like normal. So I'm gonna work on this and then I'll be back. Right, so I'm done. I got 12. This was half of a batch. Yeah, so it's ready for the frying pan. It's a bit hot, so I'm taking it off. Because if you're not new to this channel, you know that I like to I very much like to throw and run. So pulling it off a bit and turn down the heat back to low. Look like the bubbles. Hopefully, no, it does not burn me. Okay, love that. I love the pot that does not splash. I think I'll do, what's that, 5 at a time based on how the oil is in the pot. That should be good. So I'm gonna take with my hand towels here so it's not soaking up so much oil. Comment down below, is this giving festival or dumpling? Because I feel like you look at dumpling to me, to be honest with you. It's not a big deal, but you know, it's not the look we were going for. But yeah, they're about done. Just take a couple seconds on each side. Is it giving dumpling or festival? Dumpling or festival? What's it giving? Festival? We'll love to hear that. Okay, festival now. Okay. Our last two. So this is some professional advice that you want to keep your flame in the middle, like a medium heat, so you don't burn them. Okay? From courtesy of my cameraman. It's done first. Okay.
40 years experience.
Alright. Alright. Okay, so here I have my fillet. It's pretty much at room temperature now, and I already seasoned it before, so I just use basic seasoning, salt, pepper, and a little fish seasoning that we have, and a little bit of Maggi on it, a little bit of all-purpose Maggi, not nothing crazy. Understand? Shouldn't be that much. This is just one fillet for myself. So yeah, what do you guys think? Oh wait, should I put it at a steady so I can get a thumbnail with it? No, as in the camera on me holding it, so you have to go back home.
Yes, good.
Really? Mm-hmm. Oh, great.
Nice and fluffy.
You said what? Okay, so that's pretty much the end of the video. Anyways guys, that brings us to pretty much the end of the video. I'm just gonna plate it when I'm ready to eat it. I might make some broccoli to go with it, you know, get my veggies. Okay guys, so this is the final result, my dinner. So I have my festival, some broccoli, Yeah, and just some sweet potatoes, you know, fun at it. I'm not gonna eat right now because I'm not hungry, but you know, this is gonna be my dinner. Period. Comment down below what else you guys like to see me try. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the content, go ahead and leave a comment down below. Let me know if you like it. If you want me to make anything else, go ahead and shoot your requests. I might do them, maybe. I'm gonna be doing some more baking. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel if you're not already. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter, Snapchat. See you in the next one. Thank you again. If you come back and watch my videos, I really appreciate it. You know, my audience is really myself, but I appreciate you guys watching with me. See you in the next one. Wow. So then, Daddy, the whole time you did there, do the thumbnail for me. That means I never want to know how to, right? The whole time you was there trying to do the thumbnail, I never want to know how.
No, I tell you from the time I come out, I tell you.
Daddy, you could have just talked. You did it.
I didn't know. You didn't want my voice.
Come on, come do it again. I didn't say that. Don't matter.
No, I want that.